Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to shoot a really quick video of a Scamp camper that my cousin is rebuilding. This is a 13-foot model. It was built in the early 80s, and I will throw some pictures in of what it looked like when he first picked it up. So as you can see, it was pretty rough shape. The shell on it's real good, the frame's real good, but it had been sitting for a while. We're getting ready to cut the Lex in for the windows and replace those. He installed an air conditioner. He's going to paint the tongue and all that, paint the wheels. Here's a picture of the outside. This is a 13-foot model. He has all new hardware that he's going to replace it with. Take a quick look inside. The fiberglass is original. He just had to put the caps on it. There's the air conditioner. It's got 2 coats of Kills on it. The inside, I don't think you can tell, but it's all like a foam, like a small, thin foam mat. Right here is a kind of little kitchenette. He has a drawer and a couple cabinets. The top's going to go on it with some sinks. That's not original, but the top up there, fiberglass, is original. As we step in, you have the little like closet right there, and there's the floor that he's going to put in it. And then here is the bed. All the Scamps have a table that comes up right here, so it makes a little place where you can eat. He can go back later and cut that out and turn it into that, but as for right now, he's just going to leave it as a bed. I'm not going to do a complete series on this, but I figured I would show kind of a before and after, because these are pretty unique little campers. They're hard to get, hard to find, and they're kind of hard to find parts for. There's only a couple places that have parts for them, but they'll last a lifetime, and they're pretty cool the way that they're built. And there's actually some couples that live in these full time. So, as always, thanks for watching.